Hello tailors, welcome to Builderfly Select University. In this video, you will learn to create discount coupons on your online store. Offering discounts is one of the most practiced marketing tactics that lure shoppers to make their first purchase. Go for the second and then just keep going. To create discount coupons at your online store, go to Market and click on Discounts. Click on Configure Discounts and Coupons. From here, you can create discount coupons and set automatic cart level discounts to waive off certain amount on each of the orders. Under Discount Coupons section, you will find all the discount coupons listed. You can see the title, coupon code, start and end date, current status of the discount coupon. Click Action to edit or delete your existing coupons. To create new coupon, click on Add. In the Coupon Details tab, you can add the coupon name, create description, select the coupon type, and if you select a specific coupon, you can create the coupon code of your choice or use the auto generation tool. You can set the coupon usage conditions like uses per coupon, the number of times the customer can use this coupon, add the start and end date, and if you want to offer a discount for the particular time period, and select customer groups. Click Conditions to set the coupon applicability conditions. Let's say you want to offer a discount only when the subtotal is 500. In a similar manner, you can click this plus symbol and add multiple conditions based on shipping options, product weight, product attributes, etc. Click Action to decide the discount type. Set the discount amount. You can add discount cap as well, and the quantity level discounts from here. Also, you can decide if the discount is applicable on the shipping amount, free shipping orders also. If you want to set other discount coupon rules like applicability on the particular product or category type, you can do it from here. Now you can see if the coupon code already exists. You can't create another with the same name. Also, you need to update all the mandatory fields. Once done, click Save. Here, you can see the coupon code that you have recently created. You can enable or disable it directly using the toggle button. Click on checkbox and click on Update to delete and click on Filters to make them active or inactive at once. Now, click on Automatic Discounts. Here, you can see all the cart level discounts listed. You can change the status of your automatic discounts, clicking Action to add it or delete existing discounts. Click Add to create new automatic discounts. In Coupon Details, you will add the name of the coupon, change the status, and add description if required. Select the customer group to which it must be applicable. Set discount applicability duration. Under Conditions, you can set the category or SKU-wise discount conditions. You can choose categories or SKUs from the list to which you want to apply the discount. Click Actions to decide and update the discount amount and discount type. Click Save. Here, you will find all the automatic discounts listed. You can select the checkbox and click on Filter to make collective changes on multiple discounts in a single go. Now that you know how to create the discounts for your online store, try creating and implementing them to boost your online sales. Summing up with this video on the same note, subscribe to Builderfly Select University and hit the bell icon to get notification for all more such videos in the prior. Thank you for watching.